Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, sometimes the audio is even more important than the video. And this video is all about that. Welcome to this video which is all about audio. An audio from this company called Deity and a small little mic called VLAV, which I'm wearing right here, over here on my chest. And it's a lavalier mic, which is usually a mic which is so tiny that it just fits in your shirts or your top. And you use those mics in films, in TV shows, in news, in interviewing someone, in just talking to the camera, and very many other uses. So this mic comes in this pouch, very nice little sturdy pouch. When you open this, of course, you get the mic, which I'll just show you. And along with the mic, you get this little dead cat. Well, this is nothing to do with any animal or a cat, but it's just like a windshield which you put on your mic and which is used when you are outdoors when it's very windy, so that the audio doesn't get a little disrupted with the sound of the wind and all that, and your voice stays nice and sharp and clear. So it comes with this, and it also comes with this little sponge tip on top so as to avoid any bluff, avoid any rustle when it rubs against your clothes. So let's talk about the convenience of this mic. First of all, this mic comes with a wire which is 5 meters long. You know how long that is? Let me show you. So I'm walking back and I'm walking back and I'm walking back, and the sound stays the same and the sound stays the same, and I'm still walking and I'm still walking and I'm still walking. I think you can't even see me. Can you see me? No, you can't see me. So I'm far away, and now I'm entering the room again. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm still talking on that lapel mic over here on my shirt, and the sound remains constant. That is an amazing part. So the main thing of buying a high quality mic from a company like Deity is that you get sound which is crisp, clear, and sounds really professional and not amateurish. And that's the advantage of using a lapel mic. So now let me show you how will it sound if I just use the in-camera mic. I'm not using a mic on top of the camera right now, just using the internal camera mic which is installed in most of our cameras, which is ideally a mic which you should not use for your audio, but let's give it a shot. Okay, let's switch this sound to the camera sound. So now can you hear me? And I'm sure it's terrible, because as of now I'm not even installed any external mic on top of my camera. This is the internal mic of the camera, and you can hear the sound. You can hear the little echo in the room, and if there's some sound from outside my window, you'll hear that too. And if I walk away like this, I'm sure it's terrible. I'll have to yell, and still it sounds so unprofessional and so terrible, basically. So let's switch back to the real good sound by Deity. Better? See? So that's the fun. That's the magic of having great sound in your videos. So like I started the video by saying, sound is sometimes more important than what the video is. Because even if you have terrible video resolution, if the sound is good, a person may still watch it or still hear what you're trying to say. But if the sound is bad, he may just go to another channel or another video. So sound is very important. So this VLAV mic by Deity is a very versatile mic. You can use it on your camera, you can use it on your phone, you can use it on your tablet, you can use it on any small camera, big camera, phone, anything. Actually, you know what? Let us go out. Let me show you how it sounds outdoors. So let me vlog with my phone and let's see how good is this mic. Alright, let's go. Okay, so right now I am vlogging and talking to the camera. This is my 11 Pro Max phone, and well, yeah, it's a phone and not a camera. So the audio is quite good otherwise in iPhones, and I'm talking at a 1 arm's distance, as you can see, with no gimbal, just like a little clamp attached to the phone. And it's pretty quiet over here in my colony right now, but still, for a sound check, let me attach the Deity VLAV and see how does that sound now. Does the background sound still come? Let's see. Okay, so right now the sound that you're listening to is from the Deity VLAV, the mic that is attached right over here on my collar. And I'm guessing the sound must be much better, more clearer, less of the surrounding ambient sound, more of me talking to the camera. And it's a very convenient little setup for vloggers, for people who just want to talk into the camera, even if they don't have a fancy camera, a phone. Well, that'll just do. I've attached the VLAV to the phone, as you can see, and I think it's doing a pretty great job. Now let's test this in a more noisy environment. I'll go outside of my little colony and walk around the streets a little to give you a more better idea of how it performs in a more noisy environment, though I'll have to wear my mask, but well, that's important right now. So let's go. So as of now, I am walking on a street with traffic passing by, and right now the mic is not attached. This is the on-camera iPhone mic and I am kind of shouting on top of my voice. Not really shouting, but talking really loudly so that you can really hear what I'm saying. Now, while I'm recording, let me attach the mic and see what's the difference and if that really works when I'm recording it. 1 second. And now, how is the audio? So I'm walking on a noisy street, pretty noisy, and shooting myself. Looking a little silly though, but I'm sure you can hear me pretty clearly now. And even though there is a lot of noise, I don't need to really yell on top of my voice. And you can hear me through my mask also. Isn't that amazing? So this is a very convenient thing. All you need is a phone and this VLAV, Deity VLAV, and you're all set for your vlogs. Okay, so I just saw the footage that I was shooting right now, and I realized that the volume and the way it's amplified the sound with this VLAV is too much. I don't need to really shout on top of my voice, even if I'm in a crowded place. I just need to talk normally and it will pick up the best audio possible, the best way that it can record my sound, what I'm talking to the camera. So I don't need to really yell. Okay, so like you saw, the amazing advantage of having a lav mic like this in your pocket with your phone, even if you don't have a camera. You saw the difference between the audio from just the phone and then when I put the mic in. See the difference in the audio. Of course, there were times when there was slight wind blowing and I didn't carry that little windshield which I showed you. So ideally, when you're outdoors and if you're wearing the mic outside especially and not inside your shirt, to avoid the wind noise, a little all those rumble and tumbles, you rather put on the little dead cat so that it kind of shields the wind and your voice is crystal clear. So now, like I said, you can use it in various ways. You can use it like this if you want to interview someone, and if you don't want to reveal this mic, of course you can take this thing off, this clip off, and kind of tape it under your shirt like a lot of professionals do in movies. Also actors wear under their shirts on their top, and the voice is nice and clear still. It doesn't need to be on top always. Also, if you've forgotten a mic and if you want to interview someone, you can just take out this mic and just hold it like this in your hand and just ask somebody questions if you were like on a run and gun kind of a scenario. So it can be used in that also. So the various scenarios that this mic can be used in. Number one, like this, for YouTube videos, for your vlogs, for tutorials when you want to teach something, maybe you're cooking something or drawing something or whatever, you're showing something how to do makeup. So even if you want to walk and talk and do something, you don't need to be right in front of the camera all the time because the audio will be bang on, the levels will be accurate all the time. It won't go high or low, or you won't lose the attention of your audience. So you can just be wearing this and talk. And also things like live sessions these days, Instagram live, Facebook live, YouTube live, people doing all that all the time from home especially. So it's such a great thing to have when you're doing a live session with someone. If you have this mic plugged in your phone, your audio quality will be the best. And even for Zoom meetings and stuff like that, you will have really professional sounding audio, period. So all in all, I want to say that this Deity VLAV is such a great little lavalier mic, and I think everyone should have it if you want to make videos of any kinds, professional, amateurish or semi-pro, whatever. Just buy this mic and just spruce up your audio and make it sound really professional. If you have any questions, please do leave me a comment on my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because if you don't subscribe to my channel, somebody else will. So until next time, keep shooting. It's Diwali. People are bursting crackers. Why?